Hi everyone, I'm Janelle and welcome back to the L'Oreal Paris channel. Today I'm going to be showing you how to get a gorgeous voluminous hairstyle, especially for those with finer thinning hair using all L'Oreal Paris products. To get started, I'm going to be using the L'Oreal Paris Everpure Sulfate-Free Thickening Shampoo and Conditioner together. Let's talk about how these products are going to give you the most volume, especially for those with finer thinning hair. This system together fights thinning hair by preventing breakage. It gently cleanses and strengthens fragile thinning hair while also fighting breakage, which gives you that thicker, fuller looking hair. These are also 100% free of sulfates. When I am going for beautiful, gorgeous volume, I'm going to go for a hair care system that is also going to prevent breakage so my hair can grow long and still have that nice, beautiful bounce. I also then we'll look for a product that's going to add hydration, but also protect my hair from when I go to use heat on it. And the next step before I apply heat to my hair, I always need a mousse that I like to run through the roots of my hair all the way to the ends to really make sure I'm going to be getting that beautiful bouncy volume. And for a finishing step, I'm going to look for a very fine misted but also still strong holding hairspray to keep my hair nice and bouncy, but also not dry it out and still allow me to have that beautiful shine. To start this whole hair care routine off, I'm going to be using the L'Oreal Paris Everpure Sulfate-Free Thickening Shampoo right alongside the L'Oreal Paris Everpure Sulfate-Free Thickening Conditioner. Both strengthens thinning hair by fighting breakage. Let's get right into shampooing. So as I said before, this is a sulfate thickening shampoo that targets thinning and damaged hair. This formula is perfect for helping weakened hair because it includes rosemary leaf. It's an ingredient that often is used to help scalp stimulation and hair health, and it gently cleanses while strengthening strands to reduce breakage. I am one to love a double cleanse, so I'm going to be shampooing my hair twice in the shower with this. All you have to do is wet your hair and really massage this into your scalp and then throughout the lengths of your hair. You really want to make sure you get the product all over your hair so you're really getting the benefits of it. Because this is a gentle shampoo, you can use this every time you wash your hair so you don't have to spread it out in between other shampoos. This can be your main one and your go-to. After I do my double wash and I really make sure that I'm scrubbing the back of my head, really lathering it up all throughout my head, making sure I want to get all the benefits of having the fullest, thickest looking hair, I'm going to jump into the L'Oreal Paris Everpure Thickening Conditioner. Just like the shampoo, it's sulfate-free and free of any harsh salts. And it's the perfect pairing with the shampoo because this formula includes rosemary leaf extract to help fortify and strengthen the hair. This is a gentle formula free of harsh salts, parabens, and strong surfactants. And after I've done that double cleanse, I love to take the conditioner through the mid-lengths all the way to the ends of my hair. But I also work it up to the top of my scalp because I really want that hydration to surge through my hair so I have nice and shiny, bouncy, voluminous hair. Again, this duo is perfect because you don't have to change it out with any other shampoos. It's safe to use it all the time. Then I like to leave the conditioner in for about 1 to 2 minutes so all the benefits really soak into the hair and give me that thick, that fullness, and that repair. I've always used heat on my hair and I've always had fine hair, so this system is perfect for me to use about once to twice a week whenever I wash my hair. After I get out of the shower and dry my hair, I immediately dive right into the L'Oreal Paris Elvive Hyaluron and Plump Replumping Leave-In Serum. This is for dry, dehydrated hair and gives 2 times more hydration to the hair. What I love about this product is it's a leave-in serum and you can use it on dry or wet hair. So I can spray this every day on my hair whenever I just need that nice plump hydration. And it absolutely smells delicious. What I like to do is spray it through the lengths and style just as I normally would. I can use it in the morning, before styling, or just as a quick refresh. The last thing I have to say about this product is it gives good hydration without the heaviness. Whenever I use certain products, my hair feels so weighted down, so heavy. This is very light, but yet hydrating. And now we're gonna use the L'Oreal Paris Boosted Volume Inject Mousse. This is 24-hour body and volume. Music to my ears. What I love about this is it's an extra strong hold, but very soft to the touch. After I apply the mousse, I just flip my hair over, blow dry as usual. You can style however you want. I like to pin my hair in clips to really give that nice bounce, voluminous look to the hair. But however you heat style your hair, you will still get that beautiful volume. And then once I've pinned my hair, it doesn't have to be perfect. It just allows that volume to really set. To set this in place when I go to release the pins and really give me that bounce and that volume, I use the L'Oreal Paris Alnet Unscented Hairspray to spray this all over to set and make sure the hairstyle stays. What I love so much about this hairspray is it's super lightweight. It's a light mist. It's absolutely perfect, giving you that strong hold, but it's still very lightweight on the hair. And now demonstrating a side by side, a before and an after, the true volume that you really get from using these products. I hope you guys really loved this hair care routine to get the most voluminous, gorgeous, bouncy hair, especially for those with fine and thinning hair.
You can discover all these L'Oreal Paris favorites for fuller, shinier hair at l'orealparisusa.com. Your best hair days start here.